MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, we need to install the PostgreSQL. Along with it, extra utilities. Run the next command. Log in into the PostgreSQL and create the database, user, and use the schema. Now, when database is ready, we move on to installing Node.js and grabbing the Node.js source code. Run the following command to download and add the official Node.js version to our system. Install Node.js with the next command. Create a new isolated system user with the following command. Switch our current session to the NodeBB user. Clone the latest stable version with the following command. Navigate into the newly created application directory. Now launch the interactive installer and follow the prompts using your IP or domain. Select Postgres as your database and enter the credentials we created. Once installation is complete, you can start NodeBB with the following command. Now go into your web browser, use your IP address or domain name, log in as an admin, and now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.